Chapter 1. Reproduction in Plants. Plants exist everywhere on the earth. All the living beings, men and animals, are directly or indirectly dependent on plants for their food, and they support all the other forms of life or creatures. Plants take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen during the process of photosynthesis. Oxygen is essential for human beings and all animals. Plants are the only living beings that make food on their own and provide food to other living beings. Human beings get many other things from plants like cereals, pulses, vegetables, fruits, wood, gum, oil, medicines, perfumes, etc. Plants also check soil erosion. Thus, plants are our friends and we should grow more and more plants. Reproduction in plants. All living things die after a certain period of time. This time period is called their lifespan. For example, a mosquito lives for only a week, so its lifespan is 1 week. To continue to existence of their kind, all living beings reproduce. Animals and human beings reproduce by giving birth to their young ones or by laying eggs. Plants reproduce in many ways. The different ways in which the plants reproduce are from seeds, from spores, and from their body parts. New plants from seeds. The plants reproduce through seeds by the process of germination of seeds. Some plants bear only flowers. These flowers contain seeds. Some plants bear flowers which change into fruits after a time. In these plants, fruits contain seeds. All the seeds do not get a chance to grow into new plants. Some seeds are eaten by men or birds and animals. Some do not get the right conditions to grow, and some are destroyed by strong winds and heavy rain. Seeds that survive and get favorable conditions for their growth grow into new plants. The structure of a seed. Take a few seeds of maize, bean, and gram and soak them for a day. Now observe the seeds carefully. A seed has 3 main parts: seed coat, seed leaves or cotyledons, and the embryo. Seed coat. It is the outermost covering of the seed. It protects the developing embryo inside the seed. Cotyledons. When you peel the seed coat away, you will see seed leaves or cotyledons. Seeds like pea, bean, gram, etc. have 2 seed leaves and are called dicotyledons. Others like maize, wheat, and rice have only 1 cotyledon and are called monocotyledons. Embryo. Embryo is a baby plant which is present in between the 2 seed leaves or cotyledons. An embryo consists of a tiny root called the radicle and a tiny shoot called the plumule. Germination of seeds. The process through which a seed produces a baby plant or seedling is called germination. The seed produces a baby plant or seedling when it gets favorable conditions such as right amount of water, air, and warmth from the sun. Dispersal of seeds. The scattering of seeds away from the mother plant is called dispersal of seeds. We know that plants cannot move on their own. Their seeds are dispersed by water, wind, birds, insects, animals, or by explosion of fruits. These are called agents of dispersal. Dispersal by water. Water also helps in dispersal of seeds. Flowing water carries away fruits which have seeds inside them. The lotus fruit has a spongy part and the coconut has a thick fiber coat which makes them light and enables them to float in water. They travel and float with the waves. Whenever they get suitable conditions, they grow into new plants. Dispersal by wind. Some seeds are very light and have special parts like tufts of hair or wings. These are easily blown away by wind. Seeds of cotton, dandelion, and madar have tufts of hair around them. Sycamore, maple, and hyptide seeds have wings attached to them. Dispersal by human beings and animals. Human beings and animals eat fruits like papaya, melon, apple, and mango, and throw away their seeds. Some seeds have hooks, spines, or stiff hair which cling to the furry bodies of animals or the feathers of birds, or even to our clothes, and are thus carried to long distances. Examples of these seeds are xanthium seed and tiger nail seed. Birds often swallow some seeds of fruits like apple, orange, etc. They also eat some fruits like mango, lychee, etc., and throw their seeds away from the mother plants, which then come out with their droppings. Dispersal by explosion. Some fruits burst open or explode when they become dry. The seeds get thrown off and are scattered away from the mother plant.